Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Ivermectin, and we are looking at its indications. So ivermectin, it is indicated in terms of the diseases, that's onchocerciasis. Onchocerciasis. So it is present in onchocerciasis, and then it is also involved in the chemoprophylaxis of chemo. It is a chemoprophylaxis of the filariasis. Next is it can be involved in the thrombogycoidiasis. So it may be involved in the strongyloidosis. So strongyloidosis. Then it is also indicated in the gnathostomiasis, and also in terms of the scabies, it is present in scabies as well as the head lice. So to recap, it is ivermectin indicated in the onchocerciasis, the chemoprophylaxis of filariasis, as well as the strongyloidosis and the gnathostomiasis, then also in terms of the scabies and the head lice. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.